Hey everyone, Adam here, your local real estate expert. You know, this happens a lot as a realtor. You have a client, gives you a call, hey, I really like this house. We need to sell our house to buy this house. The only problem is when you're a contingent sale like that, you kind of have to work really quickly to make sure you have an opportunity to get the other house. And then you have to build out a plan to be able to sell your house quickly. So I have this scenario that actually just happened to us yesterday, and I wanted to break it down to kind of show people what I'm thinking when we're putting a house on the market, when we have to do a contingent sale and we really want to get the second house and we have to sell this house very quickly, not just throw a sign in the yard, and actually really break it down why we do what we do. So my clients are selling their house 2 blocks away from the house they want to buy. Each house is a single-story pool home. The only difference is this house is a 15,000 square foot lot and this house is only 7,000 square foot lot. So my clients really want that extra land because they have an RV parking. This house is going to be a 425 and they're not accepting offers until October 7th because it's something with the trustee's sale. So I really think my client's house is nicer than that one, and I think it will sell more than 425, but we're gonna list our house at 425 for 2 reasons. One, we need to be aggressive in the market because we need to put in escrow right away so if we have a chance at this house. 2, the reason why it's 425 and not 42499 is in this day and age, people search by 25 increments. So I want to make sure that I'm getting everyone who's looking from 425 is their max and their bottom who is 425. I want to make sure I get as many eyes on this property as possible. And then the third reason why I'm going to list it the same price as the house we want is that the same buyers who are putting offers on this house might even put an offer on our house instead. So now I'm pulling buyers away from the property we want to my property, give my sellers a better chance to get that property. So we are going to put this house on the market on Thursday, let no one see it. We're gonna do 2 open houses, Saturday and Sunday, 12 to 2. Reason why we do 2-hour open houses is that we want as many people in that house as possible at one time to make people realize the demand for this property is huge. I want everyone to realize this. The market determines what a house sells for. And anything else in life, the market determines what something's priced at. So if I can make this house look like a lot of people want it, what's gonna happen? We're gonna drive the price up. We're gonna let the buyers drive the price up. So this is kind of giving you guys the idea of what I'm thinking when I'm putting a house on the market based on the scenario that we're facing, and building out a plan whenever you're buying and selling a home is the only way you're gonna be successful to get a job done, because there's so many things, there's so many factors. That's why it's so important to work with a professional on ad aspects. If you're buying, making sure you're working with a great buyer's agent and loan officer, and then when you're on the sell side, working with a top listing agent so they know exactly what to do to get your house sold, get it for the best price. And remember, we buy and sell homes to solve problems. How can I solve your problem as quickly as possible? And that's most beneficial to you. So if you have any questions, always reach out to me. I'm always here to help. And thanks a lot, guys. Bye.